Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best cordless immersion blender is KitchenAid KHBB V53 hand blender. Designed with a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the new cordless hand blender delivers optimal runtime and performance, so you can cook wherever, whatever, and however you choose. Designed with a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the new KitchenAid cordless hand blender delivers optimal runtime and performance. It's easy to charge with a convenient charger included, which works on all products across the cordless suite. The removable 8 inches blending arm with a 4-point stainless steel blade design efficiently blends ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups, hummus, and so much more. Gives you greater flexibility and control over the recipe. The safety switch protects against accidental trigger movement. All the power you expect, without the cord. Go where ambition takes you with the cordless hand blender from KitchenAid. Designed with a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the new cordless hand blender delivers optimal runtime and performance, so you can cook wherever, whatever, and however you choose. Blends 25 bowls of soup on a full charge. Number 2 in our side is Cuisinart our HB100 Evolutions cordless hand blender. This Cuisinart blender has a speed dial that allows you to quickly puree soup without making a big mess. Begin on low and gradually increase the speed to achieve a smooth, splatter-free puree. Despite its narrow blade guard and 300-watt motor, it blended soup in about 60 seconds. You didn't feel any strong suction, which made it simple to maneuver around the pot. It did have some difficulty quickly blending a smoothie. There was some ice left after the initial blend, but it incorporated everything with about 30 seconds more. To activate the trigger, press the unlock button. Both were simple and easy to press while gripping the handle, which is narrow and ergonomic without being heavy. It comes with a dishwasher-safe mixing jar, food processor, and whisk attachment. The Evolutions cordless rechargeable hand blender does it all, from pureeing soups and blending smoothies, to whipping cream, mixing sauces, and more. Third in our best cordless immersion blender list is Isuzu cordless hand blender. The 4-in-1 immersion hand blender by Isuzu is available to make work in the kitchen easier and more fun. It can be used to make delicious treats to meet your daily use, such as meat, puree, juice, eggs, pancake, batter, smoothies, sauce, cream, butter, various dishes, soups, cakes, and baby food. Can also be used for chopping and making cocktails and much more. Cordless stick blender efficiently solved trouble caused by no socket. A full charge takes about 4 hours from empty capacity, and gives you up to 1 hour of use. The battery indicator will be displayed in marquee status during charging process and lighted on when full charged and ready to use. Efficiently solved trouble caused by no socket. The immersion hand blender by Isuzu is designed rechargeable with USB cable, which allows to be used anywhere, anytime. Rotate the speed control knob to achieve 21 speed adjustments, perfectly meet your daily needs. More convenient and stable during cooking process. Adjust speed intuitively one-handed. Variable speed pressure control button instantly adjusts speed based on your touch, while a top speed of 15,000 RPMs ensures silky smooth results. Cut the cord, keep the power, and make blending a breeze with the sleek, portable Chefman Cordless Immersion blender. Use the hand blender in your home kitchen to blend silky smooth soup right in the pot, or take it outside to the deck or patio to blend delicious frozen drinks for company. You can even bring it on the road to whip up some guacamole for the tailgate crowd. The blender's 7.4 volts battery will hold the charge for a year, and its colored LED indicator ring lets you know at a glance if the battery is getting low. The variable speed button is easy to control with a touch of your hand. Simply increase pressure for more speed up to 15,000 RPMs. The removable blending shaft comes off easily at the touch of a button and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. No cord plus a small profile makes the blender easy to store in a drawer, and a lock button and included blade guard ensure safe storage as well. For details, let's watch more.